How to weld door hinges quickly and accurately. Welcome to this tutorial on how to weld door hinges quickly and accurately. In this video, we will guide you through the process of installing iron door hinges on metal doors, specifically designed for beginners. So let's get started. The first step is to gather all the necessary tools and materials. You will need a welding machine, welding gloves, safety glasses, a hammer, a chisel, a tape measure, and of course, the door hinges. Begin by measuring and marking the desired location for the hinges on the metal door. Make sure the markings are accurate and aligned properly. Next, use a hammer and chisel to create small grooves on the marked spots. This will help the hinges sit flush against the door surface. Now, it's time to weld the hinges onto the door. Put on your welding gloves and safety glasses for protection. Position the hinges in the grooves and secure them in place using clamps or magnets. Once the hinges are properly aligned, use the welding machine to tack weld them onto the door. Start by making small welds at the corners of the hinges, gradually working your way around to ensure even distribution of heat. After the tack welds are in place, go back and complete the full weld. Be sure to maintain a steady hand and move the welding torch in a controlled manner to achieve clean and strong welds. Once the welding is complete, allow the hinges to cool down before removing any clamps or magnets. Then, test the door by opening and closing it to ensure smooth operation. And there you have it. You now know how to weld door hinges quickly and accurately. With practice, you will become more proficient in this skill. Thank you for watching and happy welding.